Welcome everyone to RG Dividend's YouTube page. The videos keep growing, and the community and friends of the channel are just like our portfolio growing strong daily. Let's update our portfolio and go and view what this month and especially today is bringing us. 10 years ago I had £0 in investments. Zero. Nothing. Made every mistake you can possibly make. I panic sold. I chased hype stocks. I ignored Dividend completely because I thought they were boring. Then one month, out of nowhere, 67 landed in my account. I hadn't done a single thing to earn it. That was the moment everything changed. This lit a fire inside me to keep going. Today, that same portfolio pays me almost every single day. As you just saw today, the 29th of May, I received £590 in dividends. Since last year, we kept track of total profit from June, and it sits at £149,168.58, and the total value is now £457,613.77, and so close to £22,000 in yearly dividends. Now I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds great, but how do I actually build this? Do I have to manually buy all ETFs? No, we built you a pie. No, not this type of pie. I have built this entire pyramid as a ready-made trading 2-1-2 pie. All three tiers, all ETFs, pre-weighted exactly as I've described. You copy it in one tap inside your ISA. The dividends reinvest automatically. The loop starts immediately. It takes about 2 minutes to set up. Right. Today I'm doing something a little different. No charts, no spreadsheets, no theory. We are trading 2-1-2 right now, on camera, and I'm going to invest real money into the RG Dividend Pyramid Pie, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, step by step, so you can do the same thing in the next 10 minutes. This is not a simulation. This is not a hypothetical. This is my actual ISA, my actual money, going in today. Let's go. Orders are being filled and we are invested. I'm putting in £879 today. Now, this is completely up to you. You can start from as little as £33 on trading 2-1-2, which is one of the reasons I use it. What's important isn't the amount. What's important is that the money goes in today, not next week, not when the market dips. Today, because every single day you're not invested is a day you're not earning dividends. And dividends you don't own, you can never reinvest. Look at this. You can see exactly how trading 2-1-2 has split that money across all three tiers. Boom, we are done. Foundation gets the biggest chunk, 45%. That's your Bedrock. Growth income, 35%. That's your engine. High yield at the top, 20%. That's your income accelerator. Every single ETF gets its proportional slice automatically. I don't have to touch anything. Now, this is the most important setting in the entire app, and most people skip right past it. Auto-Reinvest. Make sure this is ON. This is what closes a loop. When VHYL pays its dividend next month, when JEQP pays, when Wing pays, that income doesn't sit in your account doing nothing. It goes straight back into the pie, automatically, while you sleep. That is a compounding loop in action. Now off you go and enjoy life. Thank you for watching. I hope you got some value from this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel for future updates. Where are you on your journey? I am RG Dividends, and you have been wonderful.